How to design a liner in Practicad. The best way to get liner into Practicad is to simply import it from your Practicam program. However, if you are not utilizing Practicam, you can design it here. What we need to do is go into the library icon on the Practicad ribbon. Here we're going to open up and maximize our window. We're going to come to the left in our browser, scroll down to where we get to Allowances, hit the little plus key, and we're going to come down to where it says Liner and select Liner. When we do that, Practicad is going to make a list of all the liner types you currently have on your system. It's also going to open up the ability to import liner types from Practicam. If you would like to create a new liner, you need to come over to the left and use the Create a New Item green check. When you click on this, Practicad is going to ask you to name the liner what you'd like. In this tutorial, we'll call it PCAD liner, and we're going to hit the Enter key. There are currently 3 choices in parameters for liner. First, we have the ability to change the color of each line type. So what we can do is we can click on the dialog box. Practicad will open up the select color field. You can choose a color you'd like to see as a representation of this liner type. Press OK and it will be that color. Next, you have density. Practicad is capable of calculating the weight of your duct lines. Therefore, if you would like the liner to be part of a weight report, you would need to put in the density. Inside Practicam, the density is under the Material section under the Liner tab, and we'll go to that now. Here in Practicam, you can see under My Libraries, we have the Material section open. We're under the Liner tab. We've got it checked. And you can see here, just by looking at the 1-inch acoustic liner name, we've got a density that says pounds per cubic foot, and it's 3.25. Now, we can take these values and put them into Practicad to calculate weight reports there, or we could just download the ductwork from CAD to CAM, and CAM will pick up the material density here and calculate a weight report in Practicam. However, if you don't have CAM, you might want to be able to put the proper density in Practicad. Therefore, back in Practicad, we're going to put 3.25 for pounds per cubic foot for the density, and now we're going to move on to the parameter thickness. Thickness basically means the thickness of the acoustic lining. If you have 1-inch acoustic lining, you would have thickness 1 inch. If you had 2-inch acoustic lining, you'd have thickness 2 inches. So you can come and decide what thickness you'd like the liner to be. Also keep in mind that the thickness of liner is also going to be the gap between the liner and the edge of the duct. For example, if the thickness is 2 inches and you hit enter, on your drawing you're going to have a 2-inch gap between the wall of the duct and the thickness of the liner. We always draw everything what you see, what you get. So you would then choose the proper thickness based on the line type. Once you're done putting in all your parameters, you can hit the Save key, and now you've added a liner type to your list of choices.